Hello everyone and welcome to week 15 of the Margarete Miller weekly collage assignments. It's Liz here and it's my favourite project of the week, I have to say. It's become a firm favourite very quickly. So again, I have raided my stash, gone on a treasure hunt and found what I need for week 15. So here we are, a repeating pattern found in nature, something in watercolour, something musical, a washi tape, calendar page or a portion of a calendar page, and the bonus is a doodle. So I have gathered my bits and I have something patterned found, a repeating pattern found in nature, so a butterfly or a moth, I think this might be, has a repeating pattern. Something in watercolour, and I'm going to use my little watercolour paints to do something. Something musical is a little piece of music paper. Washi tape, I have a piece of washi tape here which I have cut off the roll. I don't have the roll handy here because it's on a holder and you can't get the roll off, you've got to just pull a bit off. And a calendar page or a portion of a calendar page. So let's think how we're going to do this. I think we're going to maybe do something like that with the washi tape popping out. Oh dear, come on, there we are. I think maybe we'll have 3 pieces of this, just about there. So it's Easter Monday. Everyone having a lovely Easter, a nice peaceful time. Eat some chocolate, some hot cross buns. We've ticked both those boxes. I've maybe put that a wee bit too. No, I think it's all right. We can keep that to the side, and that gives me room for some watercolour here. Yeah. So let's get on with the watercolour, and I was thinking that I would use the apple blossom and the dark rose maybe to add a little and do some little circles the same as on the calendar page there. So I've got a little bit of water here and I'm just going to wet this nice, get a little bit of napkin so that we're not doing, and maybe just some circles down this bottom corner. Am I in? Yes, I think I am. Now will we do them all the way up? What do we think? They've become splodges rather than circles, so let's try and make them circles. Yeah, it's gone quite cold here today. I think we have to get a blast of cold air tomorrow, but it's changed. I don't think the snow's going to reach down here. It's staying up in the Highlands, thank goodness. The Highlands and the Islands are getting it a bit, so down here in the central belt we're a little bit less likely to get the snow at this time of year, but They say that it is more common at Easter sometimes than at Christmas, a white Easter. I don't know if I'm making a very good job of this. Their circles are much more like circles, but hey ho, it's a nice pattern. And I think that'll do for that. Maybe one more here. And then we'll just add a little bit of the darker colour, I think. Oh, that's bringing that colour out quite a little bit. That's quite good. Just not covering them totally, just adding a little bit of shading around the edge there. Trying to make them more like circles. What do we think? I think that looks alright. It's just a bit of fun, isn't it? Let's put this away. There we are. And get the water out the way. We don't want an accident. And let's get sticking this down first. Just going to use my old magazine and my glue stick. That was just from a magazine, that just the calendar page. I thought, oh, ideal, that'll do. That'll do. And let's do this next. So again, just a little bit of glue stick. I'll just put that in the corner. And same again. And about there. There we are. So we've got the repeat pattern found in nature, something watercoloured, something musical, some washi tape, and a calendar. There we are. Yeah. So as usual, I'm going to go back in time to number 8. So this is the herb or the fragrant flower, handwriting, ink, whatever that means to you, circles, and an illustration. So I've got my little bundle over here, and I have my illustration, my fragrant flower, my ink, and I've stamped this using a stamp from this set, which was with a magazine, a free gift with a magazine, and I've just used these pen nibs from an inky pen to make my ink, to tick my ink box. Circles, I've got some little circles here, and I've got my illustration, and I've got my handwriting, which is this washi tape here. Okay, let's think about what we're going to do here. I think we're going to put the circles here and the ink about there and the flower there. So where will we put our handwriting? Let's grab a bit of it. Whoops, that's not going to do it. That's better. So if we're having this up here and this here, then maybe we want the handwriting just to peek out from underneath there. So let's put it here. I should have put a clip on this page so that it doesn't keep popping up. Let me just reach for a clip. That's better. Okay, so we'll get our what's that, an illustration? Yep, illustration. And our fragrant flower. Move that over a little bit. Yeah, so let's get this stuck down. So where are we going to do it? About here. And then this yeah, so that about that much up. And the flower, and this flower is cut out from my Extraordinary Things to Collage book. There's always something in the book for the collage. I think there's everything in that book. And let's think about, we want to see the tops of the pens. About there. Yeah, that'll do it. And we have our circles, which we will just put down the side there, I think. Yeah, because over here, no, down the side there. Let's get the glue stick and see if we can. Yes, it's so, this is Easter Monday. I'm trying to think when the next holiday from work is. May. 2 Mondays in May I get off, the 2 May bank holidays. I've got a bit of a cheek saying that because I only work the 3 days, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, so there we are. Perfect. Oh, I'm liking that. I like the splash of colour, and it picks up the bit of red in the there. And then over here I used the same washi to pick up this. So that's us caught up with week 8. We've got the fragrant flower, the handwriting, the ink, the circles and the illustration. So that's week 8 done. This is still my favourite one. I don't know, there's just something about it. 11, 12, 13 with the old ancestors, 14, and today's 15. So, well, thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.